Easy English conversation. Past tense.
Hey Sally. What did you do over the weekend?
Hi Tom. Well, I went to the beach with my family. We had a great time.
That sounds like fun. Did you swim in the water?
Yes, we did. The water was pretty cold at first, but we got used to it after a few minutes.
Did you see any interesting sea creatures while you were swimming?
Actually, we did. We saw some dolphins swimming in the distance. It was really cool.
Wow, that's amazing. I've always wanted to see dolphins up close. Maybe I'll go to the beach next weekend too.
You should definitely go. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think I will. Thanks for the suggestion, Sally.
No problem. So, what did you do over the weekend?
Well, I visited my grandparents. They live in the countryside, so it was really peaceful and quiet.
That sounds nice. Did you go for any walks or anything like that?
Yeah, we went for a walk in the fields near their house. It was really beautiful. We even saw some cows grazing in the distance.
That sounds lovely. I haven't been to the countryside in ages.
You should come with me next time. It would be fun to have a little adventure outside of the city.
That's a great idea, Tom. Let's plan something soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.